What's the best programming language to learn today? Is it Python, JavaScript, or something else entirely? Welcome to Glimpse Pro, where we decode the digital world. Today's question: what are the top 5 programming languages ruling the world right now, and why? Python. Let's start with the undisputed king of versatility, Python. It's simple, clean, and incredibly powerful. Used in AI, data science, web development, automation, you name it. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, Python makes coding feel like writing English. No wonder it's loved by startups and tech giants alike. JavaScript. If you're thinking of building anything online, JavaScript is a must. It powers almost every website you visit. From interactive pages to dynamic web apps, it's everywhere. And with frameworks like React, Node.js, and Vue. JavaScript isn't just for browsers anymore. It's now full stack. Java. Some say Java is fading, but don't believe them. It's still the backbone of Android apps, enterprise systems, and big banks. Its strength: stability, scalability, and security. Many Fortune 500 companies still rely on Java for their critical systems. So, if you want long-term job security, Java has your back. C or C++. Want to get close to the metal? C and C++ are your best friends. They power operating systems, game engines, and embedded systems. Yes, they're harder to learn, but they teach you how computers really work. If you want speed, control, and performance, this is where you go. Golang. Developed by Google, Go is gaining momentum fast. It's clean, fast, and built for the cloud era. Companies love it for building scalable web servers, APIs, and microservices. Go is like the best of C, Python, and JavaScript in one modern package. If you're aiming for high-performance back-end development, Go is worth learning. Final thoughts: each language has its strengths. Python for simplicity, JavaScript for the web, Java for stability, C or C++ for power, and Go for modern back-end systems. So, which one should you learn? The answer depends on your goals. But no matter where you start, just start. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to Glimpse Pro for more guides to help you dominate the tech world. And drop a comment below. What programming language are you learning right now, and why?